Morning, Jai. Happy New Year.
It's New Year's in 37 minutes, New York, guys.
Dude, New York, who cares? It's actually not even morning anymore. It's 12:23. Good afternoon, Jai.
Happy New Year's,
Happy
New York.
New Year. Hey, where are we heading out to today?
Heading to Tagaytay.
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 Look at the roads out here right now. There's like nobody driving. There's no traffic because of New Year's. About an hour more, I think. We'll see. Almost there. I think this is us, man. Alright, finally made it. Tagaytay, bruh.
Dito, merong overlooking.
Overlooking, yeah. And I'm a scrub. I'm a scrub. I forgot to bring a sweater and I'm just fucking out here lounging in the rain. We're here in RSM right now. It's like a buffet, but I don't think we're doing buffet. But me and Jai want to do buffet because that's just looking schmack. Finished up eating. Yo, what's your verdict on RSM?
This place is beautiful.
The food.
Oh, food was really good too.
I feel like my Nilaga is better.
The food was beautiful.
Food was beautiful.
Yeah.
Just finished eating up and we're somewhere. I don't know what's happening. About to find out. Let's see what's good up in here. Oh, fudge no.
See how far they are already?
Oh, fudge this, bruh.
Where's everyone else at?
I thought, aren't they over there?
No, I thought you were with them. Where is everyone? Look how, oh no, they're coming back this way, it's alright.
On some real, never thought I would say this, but I'm actually pretty freaking cold in the Philippines right now. Let's see what this view's all about. Time to peep this view, baby. Yeah! This is what we came to see. This is what it's all about. Kong lives down there. What's good, y'all? Gay shit only. We out here at Sky Ranch. You know what the fuck it is.
Go house, bro. Go house.
Gay shit only. Nick Cruz taking over the
I gotta
vlog.
perfect my
Fix the
Philippine
hair a
selfie.
bit. Alright, we're here at the Ferris wheel that changes these colors, cuz.
And we were trying to walk in through the exit right here, but there's a fucking parade going on. This place is looking lit AF right now, bruh. There's so many people in here. Yo, fuck that, bruh. Alright, we're coming out here next time. Right now it's a little too crazy. It's about 7 p.m. right now, and our tourists in Tagaytay video continues. Let's go see what's good out here in the gardens. Y'all, this place is looking really nice. Super BEA beautiful up in this bitch. Oh, this is Proposal Gardens. Children and dogs not allowed? So if I bring my girlfriend here to the Proposal Garden, she already gonna know what's up. It's bad, it's not very surprise worthy, I'd have to say. But this is looking pretty romantic. Look at this, Nick. This is where we were supposed to get lost, remember?
Yeah, I want to bring me and my girlfriend here.
Oh, hell nah, bro. Don't tell me this is what I think it is. After the proposal happens, you know where the magic happens, bro.
Hey, turn the camera on. Come on.
Alright, it's off. It's off. So we go.
You know what I think of this romantic garden?
What?
Roses.
Petal of roses.
You said?
Wait, there's a spot on this side too?
Yeah, a nice one.
So after you hit the proposal gardens, you can bring your girl to the spa. Okay.
You sit there.
Not by myself.
I'm gonna take a dump in this romantic garden.
Children should not go beyond this point. I'm starting to get weird anti-children vibes from this place, bruh.
Me too.
Like, you're not allowed to go anywhere. Oh, there's a child right there. That must be where Ryan and Jai are. Thank you.
Ooh.
That one's probably good. babe.
Charcoal soap.
Your face is oily.
Yeah, it's always oily.
So you need something.
Hell yeah, bro. You need some coal face. We made it, y'all. 11:30 at night. Back at Cubao. Thank you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Time to head up. And then pretty much just gotta shower and pack. We're going to Hong Kong tomorrow.
Hey, get that camera off of you, man. They didn't sign no contract, bro.